Good evening. Good evening, everyone. We'll start with the live. Let some more people join in. Today we are having new collection. We are showing some new collection of women kurtas. Nice ajrak print, hand block print, handloom cotton kurtas. Long kurtas as well as short. And of course, Namek live cannot happen without saris. So we have some beautiful, beautiful cotton saris. Hello, Sumanji. Sandhya ji, hello, good evening. Let me tell you once again, we are showing some new collection of kurtas. Today I am wearing one of them. This is the ajrak print smart kurta, everyday wear. So this is the one I am wearing. I wore one to show you how the fit is. The fit is absolutely beautiful. The price for this kurta is 2250. Hi Shilpi ji, hello, good evening. So I was just telling everybody that we have launched a new collection of kurtas. So I'm just showcasing few of them along with some saris. So this is the kurta which I'm wearing. The cut is straight. The fitting is very, very nice. So this is one of them. The price is 2250. For any inquiries, sizes, it is available in all the sizes from S to XL. You can book this on 93304-63762. Description box में भी number रहेगा. You can always contact us later. Keep taking screenshots as usual. Let me show you one more nice kurta. This is a hand block print kurta. The one which I showed earlier had a V-neck. This is a round neck. Plain, simple, everyday wear kurta. The price is 1575. 1575. The cuts are beautiful. This is absolutely plain. Everyday wear kurta. Again a V-neck, comfort fit, A-line, straight fit actually, not A-line. The sleeve has this pattern along with the neck. Soft handloom material. The price is 2750. It's a handloom cotton. Very, very smart. All the cuts which I am showing you today will fit something like this. Hi Hema, hi Malini ji, Ritu, hello. Let me tell you the price again. 2750. This one has a smart collar, hand block print collar, and rest of the kurta is jamdani work, cotton jamdani, and the price for this one is 3250. 3250. A very smart piece with nice collar. हाथ में भी ये print है. Malini ji, thank you. Price for this is 3250 because this is a jamdani fabric. Very soft, very, very soft. You can wear it all day long. Any inquiries for sizes, fittings, exact measurements, You can call at 93304-63762. Very bright, similar pattern, collar with hand block print, soft cotton. The price for this one is 2450. 2450. Again, a very smart collar. The neckline is very smart. The one which I am wearing, it is kind of a similar pattern. $1950 is the price for this. Whole body is ikkat pattern. Neck में जामदानी, हाथ में जामदानी. Very, very nice. The fit will be like this, the one which I am wearing. This is the fit for most of the kurtas. Now this one has a smart jacket on top of it. Smart ikkat jacket along with it. So this is the kurta and this is the jacket on top of it. Handloom kurta along with a smart ikkat jacket. The price for this is 3,200 only. Along with this jacket, the price is with this jacket. Price is 3,200. So you can wear it with the jacket, without the jacket. This one is very, very smart. Again, little bit different. Thank you. It is indeed very stylish. Thank you so much. Yeah, and again an ikkat, bright purple, red, white shade. They have given a smart angrakha style pattern, but it is not angrakha. It's just a patti going down for styling. The price for this is 1950 only. 1950. V-neck. Any inquiries, you can always call us at 93304-63762. For exact measurements, they'll tell you the measurements. These are available in all the sizes from small to XL. XL ubdi ache to? Yeah. Small to XL. Ikkat pattern सामने and handloom kurta. Again a very stylish kurti. Price is 2450. 2450. All the long kurtas which I have shown you are in the fit which I am wearing. This one is also available for those who have joined late. Let me show you once again. The fits will be the one which I am wearing and the price is 2250. We have some short kurtas as well. The one which you can wear on smart pants or jeans. Very soft. You can wear it all day long. Smart collar and the price is 1550. 1550. ये यहाँ तक की ही स्लीव्स हैं, जहाँ तक ये वाली आ रही है इस तरह की इस लेंथ की स्लीव्स हैं and very smart and very comfortable. These are all handloom fabrics. This is with V-neck. That one was with collar. A smart sleeve with button. The price is 1850. 1850. Navy blue with white stripes. See this pattern? And this is a very sweet ikkat fabric along with the ajrak material. Wear it with that also. Any contrasting jeans also. 1550. These are all handloom fabrics. Handloom fabrics are very breathable. Hello Sharmishta ji, how are you? So I was telling them, Sharmishta ji, about the new collection of our kurtas, and I've shown some long kurtas and now I'm showing some short tops. So again a very smart piece. The neck is little bit different with this pattern. हाथ में इस तरह का पट्टी है. And the price for this one is 2150. 2150. So these were the all kurtas and short tops which we had lined up today. These are all our new collection. These are available in all sizes from small to XL. For any inquiries or measurement, you can call at 93304 63762. And time for some saris now. I'm sure you are very excited. Do keep sharing this link with your friends and families also so that they can also join in. These are all cotton saris. We try to bring in different kind of design patterns and color combinations for you people. Like this one, the work is very, very different and very beautiful. Blue color. The price for this sari is 7750. 7750. This is handloom cotton sari. All these saris are very, very nice for summers. You can wear them all day long. See? Smart pattern. Ye pallu. And small booties in the body. Wear it with any type of blouse. Wear it with any type of jewelry. It looks very, very smart. इसको स्टीम आयरन करके पहनिए, ये मोर मैनेजेबल हो जाएगी, थोड़ी सॉफ्ट हो जाएगी. बट वी डोंट वांट दैट एकदम झूलती हुई साड़ी ऑल्सो. थोड़ा सा करफ रहे तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल कलर. ब्यूटिफुल कलर, ब्यूटिफुल वीव, नाइस पल्लू. द प्राइस इज 3650 only. 3650. Just see the color combination and the work on it. See the border. This is the pallu and body has small booties. I cannot have enough of these cotton sarees. Each saree looks so pretty. The weave is very, very beautiful. Border makes all the difference in whatever you wear. If the saree's border is very nice, पूरी साड़ी खिल के सामने आती है. $3650 is the price. Handloom cotton sarees. अच्छा एक बार शाम की ब्लाउज আছে. All these sarees have blouse pieces. Still, whenever you book our staff will let you know the exact length and blouse piece is there or not. 4950 is the price for this beautiful red and white Jamdani work Bengal handloom cotton sari. This is a traditional looking, but the work is so pretty. The color combination of the weave makes all the difference. So the pallu is this, and puri body mein small booties are there. So pretty. This is all new collection. We are opening it for the first time. I have told you price of this sari. It's 4950. 4950. Classic combination of white and red. It has green, grey, white and orange. This is commonly found color in all the Bengal cotton saris. I really like this sari because the aanchal is so pretty and the color combination जो पल्लू में दिया हुआ है weave का, it suits the sari, this color so much. This and this color goes so well with each other. The pallu, booties in body. This is the look. For any inquiries, you can call on our number. Video calling is possible. You can video call us. We'll show you the saris. अगर अभी color समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आप video call करिए. We can always show the sari in natural light. 3650 is the price for this sari. Each and every sari which we are showing today is a cotton sari and absolutely new collection. When I say every sari is different from each other, the weave and the border are the parts I am talking about which are different. Floral है लेकिन कितना different है. लाइट ब्राउन कलर का बेस है, ब्लू, नेवी ब्लू और ऑरेंज कलर का पल्लू है. You cannot have enough of cotton sarees. See the combination. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you. The price for this sari is 7850. Blue with pink is always a classic combination and बहुत लोग पहनना पसंद करते हैं. So this is the aanchal, pallu, and the body has small booties. This color looks good on everybody. Any inquiries about the color, the price, or the fabric, the material, blouse piece, anything, you can call us, WhatsApp us at 93304-63762. The price for this saree is 3850. This beautiful combination cotton sari, 3850. This is a green color. This type of weave looks very, very beautiful in this kind of saris. A small orange border is making all the difference in this sari. So this is the border. And this is the pallu. Green is an auspicious color in India. Different kind of border and a very beautiful pallu. Price for this sari is 3250 only, 3250 only. Whenever you wear these kind of saris, to make it more manageable, steam iron it. इसको धोएंगे तो इसका पूरा starch निकल जाएगा and it would not give the same look. So steam iron कीजिए and पहनिए, बहुत सुंदर लगती हैं ये सारी. The light color, very light pista green with light pink combination. The price for this sari is 5,000. 5,000. Let me show you the work. These are all handloom weaves made by hand. All the saris, saris which I am showing you today are all hand woven. Some people like big borders, some people like small borders. This one has a small border. Actually goes with this sari because this sari's color is also subdued. And the work is also not very loud. So kind of goes with this small light pink border, isn't it? Price is 5,000. Classic white with beige. This is a tussar border. Cotton with tussar border. The price, let me tell you the price first. It's 7750. Very, very beautiful sari. Look at the weave in the pallu. You can always call or WhatsApp us on our number and we can show you the sari in the daylight more closely. Video calling is possible. You can keep a screenshot of whatever I am showing you today and you can come back to us for more information on this. See how beautiful this sari is. For a festive look, you can wear a loud blouse with it. Green color, red color, maroon color, yellow color, anything will go with this. The price I have told you earlier, it's 7750. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, that these are all one pieces only. So it's first come, first serve. Whoever books it first gets the sari. One more in this kind, light yellow color, very soft, very pretty color. जितने सॉफ्ट कलर्स होते हैं, लाइट कलर्स होते हैं, वीव उतनी ही उस पे अच्छी लगती है. एंड इसका बड़ा बॉर्डर है, इसका बड़ा बॉर्डर है, इसमें थोड़ा सा जरी वर्क है बॉर्डर में. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu. And Again, a very smart. So what do you call this? I think this in north side, I belong to Rajasthan. This pattern is called Ganga Jamuna. So one side is different color and the bottom side is different color. So ऊपर में ये orange color है और नीचे में red color है. तो pleats में नीचे आपका ये color आएगा and this is the सामने का border. Very different and very nice saree. The price for this saree is 4,000 and it has a zari work on the border. Wear it on any occasion. कोई बोलेगा नहीं आपने कॉटन साड़ी पहनी है. ये पैटर्न खत्म हुआ तो आई वॉन्टेड टू शो यू वन गढ़वाल सिल्क साड़ी. ये एक एक्सक्लूसिव पीस है. We were not supposed to show this. This is absolutely new collection. But for you people, we are showing this. This is a check Garhwal sari, Garhwal silk sari. This is the blouse piece for this. And let me show you the sari now. Garhwal silk saris are very grand. बहुत ही grand look होता है उसमें. Pink with yellow and the body has check pattern. So this saree is available on our website also now. The website's address is namek.in. See the look. For a closer look, if you want to see the saree in the natural daylight, you can always video call us 93304-63762. It's a very beautiful Garhwal silk saree. Big border, grand border, beautiful pallu. बहुत ही सुंदर पल्लू है ट्रेडिशनल जरी के साथ में. This is pure silk, finest of silks, and this is also hand woven. And this is the blouse piece. This is only exclusive piece, one piece only. The price for this saree is 25,500. 25,500. Occasions, shadi, any party, I think this saree will stand out. This is also soft Garhwal silk saree. The price for this is 26,500. 26,500. This has a big green border and soft baby pink color की साड़ी है ये. The saree which I showed earlier is also very soft to touch, and this one also, and lightweight saree. See the weave. Very nice combination of baby pink and green. Very soothing to eyes kind of saree. The price for this is 26,500. The blouse is running in this. Blouse piece is running. So those were the two sarees which were specially induced in this live to show you people. Garhwal silks are always the best sellers in our store, and we had some very special pieces over here. One was the yellow checked Garhwal silk which I showed you, and the other one is baby pink and green. Any inquiries on this, please call us on our number or visit our website. Coming back again to cottons. This is a Bengal handloom sari. See, the sari's color and pattern and everything changes when you wear it with a different kind of blouse, jewelry, style yourself differently. Everything changes. So I'm showing you a white color, off-white color sari with very soft border. I hope you can see the pattern. One of these kind of saris Meghali had worn in earlier lives, and she wore it with, I think if I'm not wrong, maroon blouse, and it was standing out. So style yourself in a different way. Think out of the box. These saris are gorgeous. Very soft to touch, very soft to wear. We all love it. The price is 3250 only, 3250. Khadi cotton saris in a black color. I showed you white, now black. Price is 3950. Border. This is the border, and very smart handloom cotton. People who have joined just now, you can see the video from start. We had showed some new collection of women kurtis, long and short as well, and some very nice cotton saris. So this black color is also everybody's favorite. Everybody has one or two in their wardrobe. Smartness personified. The price for this sari is 3950. 3950. This is the same khadi cotton in red. The earlier one was black. The price for this is 3850. The aanchal, the border and the body. I hope you are all taking screenshots. For all the inquiries, please send us your screenshot of the sari which you want to see again, or in a closer look, or you want to inquire about what kind of blouse piece it has. Please call us on 93304-63762. We are here to help you. Video calling is possible. It's again a very different type of saris. This has a weave which looks like a katha stitch. The price for this is 3750 only. Very soft to touch sari, very different, and looks very smart when you wear it. This is the pattern in the body. Price is 3750. Very soft to touch. You can carry it whole day long. Very nice for summer season. Soft grey color sari with subdued zari work. This is the I don't know how much color is visible. This is black, actually dark gray with zari linings, and the border is also with zari lining, but very subdued and very soft to touch. And the blouse piece for this one is grey. Soft sari, Bengal handloom, very different one which from the ones which we usually show. And it has a light pista green tinge in it. The white has a light pista green tinge in it. For this sari, keep taking the screenshots because I'm not sure how much justice this camera is doing to this sari. This is a very, very pretty sari. So we can always send you photographs in natural light if you're interested in this, and make this beautiful sari yours. The price for this is 3750. 3750 only. Another one in grey, black and white combination. Price is 3125. This is the aanchal. This is the body. Very smart sari. See the look. And the blouse piece is this. Price for this sari is 3125 only. Very soft to touch. The last one for today. Again, very sweet, different kind of weave, Bengal cotton sari. The weave on the body is little bit different. I hope you can see this. Price is 3950. I hope you liked all the products which we showed you today. Our number is 93304-63762. Keep giving your feedback. What kind of products you would like to see, and any inquiries about the products which we showed today, you can always call us or video call us if you want to see the product up close. Share this video with your friends, and do let us know what kind of sarees do you want to see next. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.